Hi, my PlainJains, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do transparent nails, if you will, with some blooming gel and some purple and white gel polish from Beetles. As you can see, these are all Beetle products. I'm using some long square nails, not extra long, just long, with some gold foil. And I'm going to be using that rye glitter. At the time, I didn't know which kind of glitter I wanted to add to this, but I'm going to be using that one. And then we're going to be using our base foundation of Beetles, our tools right there, our dotting tool. And I know you can't see it right now, but it's a little brush to apply our glitter. But without further ado, let's get started. And you already know we are going to buff the shine off. And with these nails as well, I'm going to take my nail file and kind of clean up the ends a little bit. So even though I'm buffing the shine off, I'm also going to use our square buffer to smooth out the foundation, and then I'm going to also smooth out the ends of the nails so they're not as sharp, because I did cut these down to the desired length that I wanted them to be. And so you're going to see that in a minute, and then after that we're going to apply our prep work, which is our, oh my gosh, why am I forgetting the name right now? Our primer. Why did why did I just have a brain fart just now? Like, I didn't know what that was. We're gonna add our primer, and then we're gonna add our base coat. Forgive me guys, it's like raining outside right now as I'm doing this, and so I don't know, maybe it's the weather, I don't know. But yeah, so as you can see, like I said, I'm going to file down the ends of the nail just to get a smoother tip. And then we're going to add the primer, and then we're going to add our gel coat, our base gel coat. And I do apologize in advance, one, because some of these things are going to be blurry. Some of the footage is going to be blurry because for some reason it wants to focus, my phone wants to focus when it wants to and not when I tell it to. We'll have to work on that. But yeah, you're going to see some of that. So I do apologize in advance. Also, I usually post either Sunday and Monday and then the next 2 days afterwards. But oh my gosh, life has been lifing, and I don't know what the hell going on. But I've been trying so hard to get this video out to you guys. It's crazy. For like the longest, I've been trying to get this video out to you guys, as well as posting on my social media pages on Instagram and TikTok. But life is happening, and sometimes like life does get in the way of doing these things. So that is just basically a recap of that. But yeah, I was really trying to get this stuff out, but this is just going to be later on in the week. So this is going to be posted today as I speak, and then 2 more videos after that. So yeah, but I'll be back to my regular schedule posting next week, because I don't know what was going on. Well, I know what was going on, but life was just happening, and I would like to take a vacation if that is possible. But it comes with the territory. Being a mom and spouse, it comes with the territory. So you just have to roll with the flow, roll with the punches. So now we're adding our blooming gel. Oh my gosh, guys. So I told y'all how I did this blooming gel, or I used this blooming gel in my other nail videos that I had, and I loved it so much. And again, yes, it does smell good, it's not weird. And I noticed that when I apply my color to this blooming gel, it does what it's supposed to do. It does bloom. But I'm realizing now that with this blooming gel, it could be me or, you know, other blooming gels that I didn't know about, if you leave a color on there for too long, it will bloom out so much that it will just disappear or just thin out the color. And so what I started doing is, after I put the blooming gel on, as you can see, I'm putting on the purple first and then the white. You want to cure like each nail for your desired effect. So depending on how much bloom you want, or how much you want that color to bloom, you're gonna want to put that under the light like ASAP, because it just really blooms like really fast, as you can see, and I'm trying to work fast with it. And I just decided to just put each nail after I'm done with applying my white. I just put my nail into the lamp because it was getting sparse, and I was like, why is this happening? And I realized the more it sits on there, the more it separates. So just keep that in mind when you're working with blooming gel. That is what happened to me, just sharing my experience. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And of course, it also depends on what design you're trying to create as well. If you are looking for a lot of separation, and of course, yes, leave that thing on there for as long as you like. But for me in this look, I really wanted, you know, just some sparseness for this design that I was creating. So I definitely put the nails under the lamp, either one or two at a time, and I moved on to the next one. So yeah, so I'm going to do that, and then after that we're going to add our foil, our gold foil, and our glitter. So for this process, I added a top coat first. I didn't use foil gel or anything like that. I used my Macart top coat to apply the foil to stick onto and the glitter, and it just saves time. And I don't know, the process works for me. So I just used the top coat, And then I am adding that foam with my little tweezers, breaking it up as small as I can, because you want it to, you know, you want a little bit dispersed, not too much in one place, not too clumpy. And then I also added my glitter as well, as you can see with my brush. And then after that, I'm going to encapsulate. I don't work with acrylic as of yet, but I'm going to encapsulate with my Macart top coat again to give it that final shine and that glossy look, because you do want this to be a little transparent as well, hence the little blank spaces in between the color. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to cure for 60 seconds for these nails, and then show you the final process, which, I mean, by now you should already see it. By now you already see that glow, okay? Look at that glow. And then I love, let me tell you, I've said it before with Ria's products in my other nail videos are bomb. I really love this glitter, this iridescent glitter. Phenomenal. I love how it looks, especially in the sun, in the natural light. Amazing. And this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you guys think. What should I call this? So I was caught between purple galaxy or purple Milky Way. It's giving universe-ish kind of to me, you know, like it's milky at the same time, but with a milky purple and white. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm really feeling this look. If you are too, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, follow, and like, and tell a friend as well. And I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, my friends, I will see you guys later. And be safe. Be safe out there. Bye.